Have you ever hired someone who looked perfect on paper, only to watch them flounder? If you treat test automation like a checkbox, you'll pay for it in product quality, release delays, and team morale. This video gives you clear, compliant steps to assess candidates effectively, plus insider tips tuned for test automation roles. Watch and you'll learn what matters most, what to test for, and how to avoid the expensive miss-hire. A great test automation engineer builds frameworks that catch bugs before customers see them. They're a force multiplier. The right hire speeds releases, raises confidence, and frees engineers to build features. The wrong hire silently sabotages all of that. Bad hires can produce flaky suites, poor docs, and maintenance nightmares that drain your team and your budget. So let's stop gambling. I'll walk you through must-have skills, soft skills, sourcing, fair evaluation tools, and interview scripts you can use today. First, programming. A modern test automation engineer must be a strong programmer, not just a recorder of clicks. Must-haves: proficiency in at least one object-oriented language, Java, Python, or C#. They should understand data structures, algorithms, and software design principles, able to solve coding problems confidently. If they can't explain a solution or design a simple algorithm, red flag. Tool experience matters. Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, and Appium are industry standards, but knowledge of a tool alone isn't enough. Ask them to explain patterns like the page object model, how it reduces duplication and improves maintenance. A strong candidate ties tool choices to maintainability and outcomes, not logos on a resume. Nice to haves: CI/CD experience, Jenkins, GitLab CI, GitHub Actions, performance testing, security testing, cloud containerization, Docker, Kubernetes. As apps shift to cloud, these move from optional to highly valuable. They future-proof your test strategy. Technical skill is table stakes. The differentiators are communication, adaptability, ownership, and system-level problem-solving. Good communicators write clear bug reports and explain failures without blame. During interviews, use behavioral questions. Example: tell me about a time you convinced a skeptical dev team to adopt a testing practice. Listen for their approach. Did they empathize, pilot small, measure impact, and secure buy-in? That's how influence looks in practice. Scenario question: 2 hours from release, you see intermittent failures. What do you do? A strong answer: stabilize the release, triage logs, isolate flaky tests, and communicate trade-offs. Then follow up with root cause fixes. Use structured scenario-based scoring. One interviewer, one scorecard per competency. Rate communication, problem-solving, and ownership 1-5 to compare candidates objectively. Where to look? Prioritize referrals and LinkedIn first. They yield stronger cultural fits and faster pipelines. Then niche boards for automation talent. Referrals often beat broad job boards on quality and retention. Use practical, work-relevant coding tests. Give a small web app and ask for automated tests. Let candidates use their preferred language and framework. Combine coding tests with structured scorecards and validated personality or cognitive assessments. But treat assessments as one data point, not destiny. Train interviewers on compliant questioning. Avoid protected topic probes. Focus on competency-based, job-relevant questions. Use blind resume screens and diverse panels to reduce bias and create a defensible hiring record. Pitfall 1: rushing. Short-term pain continuing the search beats the long-term cost of a bad hire. Pitfall 2: over-indexing on pedigree. Prioritize ownership and measurable impact over logos. You ask, describe a bug that reached production. Weak answer: it wasn't my fault. The dev gave me code late. Strong answer: I ran a root cause, added targeted tests, and led a postmortem so the team learned and we prevented recurrence. Ready to stop guessing and hire with precision? Small process changes yield huge returns. If you're hiring now, visit peopleteam.com/hiring for help. Subscribe for more hiring playbooks.